everyone, I'm Marge.
And I am Tiffany.
And this is from you're watching
The Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show.
Woohoo!
Oh yeah. As y'all know, I am Chef Marge, and welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can't really communicate to us what he wants, so this is our way of helping him. And today's episode is
Easter excitement! Well.
Oh, get your back.
That's right, and we have a lot of stuff in store for you today.
And when we come back, we'll do a DIY project that your kids will like. That your kids will like. Thank you. Woo! Oh. Welcome back, guys. Now it's time for our DIY Easter basket and Easter eggs.
Easter
For-
eggs.
Yes, Easter eggs. Why you getting the candy already? At least save some for me. Anyway, for the Easter basket, you would need die cuts. Which is weird. I didn't see anyone die from the cuts. I'm a pun master over here. Anyway. You can just print these out if you want. Any letter you like. We're going to put a T for Terrell and Tiffany. Yeah. And a little chick. Beep, beep, beep. And now we have the eggs, which Terrell
The eggs.
has kindly put in there. We put it in the colored water. We're going to check it out. Nice and easy. Yep. This is what happens when Margaret ain't here. I do this. Yep, we got our egg disaster. We got pink, green, and 2 orange. And when we come back, Mark will be giving us a tasty dessert. I hope it ain't poisoned.
Poison. I'll put poison in hers. Oh, wow, we're still going. Hey guys, welcome back. We are making ooey gooey salted caramel brownies. That sounds good, just think about it. Anyway, for our ooey gooey salted caramel brownies, you will need some brownie mix.
Just some brownie mix.
Yep, pour that in there.
Where do you hide that? Hide that.
Alrighty, then you will
Hide
need,
that.
looks like a 2/3 cup of water.
Yeah, I guess
Or a third, actually. Yep, pour that in there. Then you will need some oil.
What's the oil?
Yep, pour that up in there.
Just this demonstration eggs.
Then 1 egg. Yep, crack that. On second thought, we just gonna keep you off egg cracking. All right, go on and mix that together. Yes, okay. We also have our salted caramel here. Some chocolate pieces for the ooey gooey part. Right. Oh, you need me to mix that? It's coming apart on you? You need a stiff hand for this. Yeah, there we go. Just, yeah. Okay, let me see. Also another part of the ooey gooey essence.
Right, but it's a mix.
Okay, we just gonna drop that. There we go.
That's it? Can you mix it?
Yep. Alright, now the fun part. Maybe also the very messiest. Alright, hold that. Just, I'm just gonna put it right here. Alright, now get ready. This is the fun part. Now don't eat the chocolate. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay. Pour chocolate, pour caramel. Okay, put a piece of chocolate in there. No, get one, put it in there, like this. One in there. Or maybe two in there. And then pour. No more chocolate, no more chocolate. Now the caramel. Alright. Yeah, we'll come back to that later. For time's sake, we will only be showcasing one. And we'll show you the finished product later. If Terrell hasn't eaten all of them yet. Or Tiffany hasn't gotten past me yet. So let me just make sure you find the poison. Okay? We're gonna put it in hers especially. And luckily she's not here to know that. As you can see, Chef Terrell has finished decorating the eggs. My is he mighty creative. So cute. Alright. And now it's time to go on our Easter egg hunt. Cause you know, just between me and y'all, she don't play for it. She just be cheating.
No, she talk about herself.
No,
she don't play
talk about herself.
No.
You just go. Alright, back to business.
Try control.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you're following on Instagram at PKCS2018. And happy Easter and goodbye.
Deuces. Say bye, Terrell.
That's well.
Happy Resurrection Sunday from the Puzzle Kids Cooking Show.